scratch coating it first, then we're gonna pave it all. We're going over to the truck, to your car probably. Watch out. Right here. Yeah. Just pull forward, raise it up. Just a little wee bit. You're just gonna clean out. In fact, don't even do that. Just shut your gate, go get me another letter. You're all sprayed down. Close the gate. Open them. Open it back up. Hey, clean that out right there. Wait, open them. Open. Okay, 1 minute.
Dump it out.
Now close them. There's nothing in it. That's shut. No. Get this rock out right here. Petey, bring your shovel here. There it goes. Go get a load. Never mind. Tired wasting time. You're gonna lift the screen up.
Hey, there's another truck right there loaded. Wait.
Come on, you can go faster. It's just scratch. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Don't mean to milk them for everything. Open your door! Hold up, stop. See that hole? I want you to be all the way open right there. So when we get right here, open up all the way. Spray that down. Spray it. Jesse, if you just push it over like this, see that? Just blends it right in like that. Then you ain't got no big rocks fucking shit up because they don't know how to use top. That hit's gonna clear. Oh, spray that. No. Yeah. Up. Look at this guy. I think he's special. What, do you think he's special with that umbrella? Turn these on. Bring the asphalt back. There you go. Now you get a whole box. Up.
No, you just go over there and just take it down. I'll just cut it.
Bring it over to here.
I'm just trying to help.
Yeah, open up all the way. Quit turning. Yeah, right here, turn that way. Move him up, move him over. Yeah. It's easy when it's done right? I mean, you guys have been standing here doing nothing. You don't have to rake none of that shit. Suck that door in too fast, it's gonna lift the screen. In fact, stop right here because stop here for a minute. Oh, he's already here. Oh, never mind. Keep going. Petey, throw him like 2 shovelfuls there in the corner so he can match that side up with that side. Right at the corner of the concrete.